So I want to bring my mate, Lisa. So let me tell you another story if I can really fast.
Yes.
So earlier in the season, this lady who was widowed reached out to me. She has a 50-something near me, and she wanted help. She wanted me to come out, and she was a very she's a driven lady.
Oh yeah.
Right? She's nothing's holding her back kind of lady. Right? So I went out with her a couple times, and I'm like, you know what? You can do this. She did not have this, but I was like, you can drive the boat. There's no doubt in my mind you can drive the boat. I said, you need a yacht controller. And I said, it makes it so easy. You can control both engines, you can control the valve and the stern thruster, everything independently. And a lot of people don't even know this, but you can control the anchor.
Right.
And it's, that anchor controller is like worth its weight in gold. But to anchor properly is not that easy. Sure. Yeah.
Oh, I know. I've been out there before. It's
Yeah.
not always
So anyways, long story short, I convinced her to get a unit. She got the unit installed. She thanks me all the time. She's a badass. She goes out there. She does the fleet.
Oh my gosh, I love that.
Doesn't rely on anyone. Unfortunately, she lost her husband, but she got her freedom.
Wow, I love that.
Yes, it is.
That's very hard.
It is. I'm proud of her. That's cool. I'm also proud of Lisa here. So Lisa's my mate. She goes with me everywhere. She's a sweet mate. She knows how to do everything. So a couple weeks ago maybe, I said, let's get off the dock with it. I showed her the basics of how to use it, how to turn it on, what each one does, and I put her around her neck, and I'm like, let's do it.
Yeah, it was surprisingly very easy for a first timer trying it. So, yeah, I really enjoyed it.
She pushed off the dock, nice and even with the balance stern thruster.
So were you nervous doing it the first time?
I was a little nervous, but Captain Mike talked me through it, and it was much easier than I thought it was going to be.
Well, we want to thank you all for watching. Again, it's Amber with the Yacht Group, and thank you, Captain Mike, for your